I'm in the hole with Ginny at Basin Street and Aqueduct Street behind the old KeyBank building. We're zooming up to the northwest wing ring of the Times Square building. Say good morning to DC. He just flew over here after Beauty chased him over here. She was on the south column that's one level above the nest box, and she took off and came back right behind him. He went up there. Of course, Beauty doesn't do the wing rings, so she decided to go to the column that's right above the nest box, and we're gonna go down to that spot right now. There she is. There's where the nest box is, and right there's the column she was on. So I guess that pretty much explains it all.